Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Let's go over Avalanche. Guys, we are about to win another trade on Avalanche, and I know this sounds weird, but I'm really proud of Avalanche. Avalanche is creeping its way up here in the coin market cap, sitting at number 10. So great job, Avalanche. Great job. I just wanted to say that. I'll even show you guys how the market cap is increasing on Avalanche, which is honestly a very bullish sign compared to other altcoins right now, which could mean that it actually pumps faster in this bull market that I think we're going to try to push back into this week. So we'll take a look at that. All right. Speaking about the trade about to win, we are currently at 100 and not 109. We're actually at 110 wins, and we've actually never lost a trade. So 110 wins and 0 losses. I'm sorry, guys. I should have had this queued up a little bit easier here. If I can't find it right now, I'll try to find it later. But we're currently sitting at 110 wins and 0 losses on the chart. There it is right there. We've never lost a crypto trade, and this is probably going to be actually our 111th win in a row. So I know a lot of you guys, that's like a shock value when you hear that, and I'll show you guys how to trade with us in the second half of this video, but I want to give you guys the analysis first of what I'm looking at. So let's just jump on in, guys. Okay. RSI, stochastic, MACD, the moving averages, all the main indicators retail traders love to use. Why do I have this on my chart? I look to see one thing. If they're all red, I'm looking to buy. If they're all green, I'm looking to sell. And you're like, wait, what the heck? When they're all green, you're looking to sell? Yes. When retail trader indicators are all green, looking like we're going to the moon, this is when the institutions are going to short them out. And I'll prove this to you guys over here. It is partly why we've never lost a trade and we take very good exits on the winners. And we a lot of times exit right at the top before it drops back down. How do we exit the top before it drops back down? Well, glad you asked, guys. Is the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion indicators. We have people doing thousands, tens of thousands, honestly, with these two indicators. Here's what you guys are watching for, and I'll bring it to the forefront this morning. When trend exhaustion is pushed up in the top red section and well money flow is high, you need to be watching for market drops back down, okay? When trend exhaustion is in the top red section and the well money flow is high here, it's not low, it's clearly higher here, that predicted the move down there as well. You see this right here, trend exhaustion pushed high, well money flow pushed high. Where do you guys see that? If you follow it straight up, it's this move right down there, okay? Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. The move back down was called here. You guys can see previously before this, if you take a look at this right here, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. If you follow this straight up on the chart here, straight up, don't cherry pick anything, guys. That called the drop right here, and then we can see how it called it over here on this drop here, and also up here on this move back down based off this one right here, okay? So the reason why we have this on the charts is because we've never found two indicators that are more accurate at predicting moves up and down in crypto before they happen. And if you can predict something before it happens, that is kind of like insider information, and that's how you guys make a lot of money. And honestly, this is how we haven't lost trades yet, because we have really good indicators and we use these every time before we exit. Those of you guys who are scalping the markets and you were waiting for the trend exhaustion to get to the lower bottom red section of the trend exhaustion and the well money flow is low, you guys are looking for your 3 to 4% profit. You guys have either already taken your profit or you're about to get into profit right now. So great job for those of you guys who did that, okay? Those are in the description. Make sure you guys snag those. You need them for our strategy as well as the scalping masterclass that you guys can access over here. Real quick, I know a lot of you guys are going to ask me about that. The masterclass videos, click on masterclass videos, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here's the masterclass to teach you guys how to scalp, as well as a bunch of other ones that you guys are just absolutely going to love. How do you guys actually spot huge moves in the market before they happen? How to spot huge market moves before they happen? I'll show you guys, part of the masterclasses. All right, real quick, let me dive into this, and then I promise we'll get over to the metrics here. Here's our membership, guys. We're not hiding anything. It's $95 a month. Access all the metrics to all of our coins here, as well as the Telegram channel where I enter and exit trades with crypto, with my account balance, access to all the master classes, and we're going to go live this Thursday, guys. Actually, we're going live on Zoom, and we'll get the family together here, all of our members, and we'll talk about the charts, do a Q&A session, and just have a fun hangout time for about an hour, and we'll plan we'll do one once a month, so it's going to be a lot of fun for us to hang out together. Okay, let's go over into the charts. I like to show that to you guys because a lot of people are like, man, I want a family to trade with. Like, it's cool to be able to copy signals and do all that type of stuff. That's awesome. I understand that. But a lot of you guys are like, I want to trade like kind of with a family. Guys, all the buy limits I use, you guys can use. Once you're in the Telegram channel, this is literally like being my friend and getting text messages from me of everything that I'm doing to manage my account that I have $150,000 in, and we're at $123,000 right now. One of the healthiest accounts on all of YouTube, and we've never lost a trade. So when you guys get in that Telegram channel, I am sending out every message to you guys like it's literally like you're my friend one-on-one text messages. So it's a lot of fun. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Avalanche is pushing back up, and we are only 4.61% away from getting into the profit here for this trade. What I'm watching for this week is the trend exhaustion to get to the top red section and well money flow to get up here as well. When that happens, and if we are above this entry point here of break even of 78.48, I'm going to be looking for an exit. I'll let you guys know right now. My prediction here is I think we're going to push up to these structures right around this area. That's where I'm going to look to take the first exit, probably around 6 to 7%. Then I'm going to take a stop loss and put it at break even, and we're going to trail this thing. And if this thing wants to keep going to structure high, we can do that, and we'll just keep moving the stop loss up. And I'll call out every single move in the Telegram channel for you guys so you don't have to guess. All right? So let's dive in here. The emotional index for Avalanche is pushed into the anxious area. Great. When anxious traders are in the market, guys, this is when the market's going to see a move back up because institutions are going to buy the fear and they're going to buy the anxiety of retail traders. Looking at this, guys, not much has happened over here for Bitfinex, for Avalanche. It's basically just staying really steady. Very interesting that this is staying as steady as it is. We've definitely seen some volatility in the past, but let's just keep an eye on this. If we see anything like long trades exploding over here, that may be a precursor to a very nice move up here. So sometimes it's boring when we look at this, but honestly, guys, it's these down here that when something does happen, it's like, whoa, you need to pay attention because something big is about to happen. People have been holding their long trades and they've been holding their short trades because you've kind of been in this, somewhat of this consolidation period here. And I think people think Avalanche is one of those coins that's just going to explode. I think so too. Avalanche is a super fast coin. If you go to Avalanche's website and look at the perks it has, honestly, over Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll see why people put their money over there. And speaking of putting money into Avalanche, all of you guys holding Avalanche, I want to give you good news right now. The Avalanche market cap, guys, is increasing here and holding steady while the price has actually been going down. This is very, very strong for Avalanche. Do you guys know that this cannot be faked? This literally means money is moving into Avalanche and out of other coins because this green line shows the relativity of what the market cap is doing for Avalanche relative to the entire market cap. So this green line cannot go up at all unless money is pulled out of other altcoins and pushed into this coin. So that means people are saying this. They have their portfolio of 10 different coins. Let's say there's 10 different coins or whatever, 1,000, whatever. And they are literally pulling money out of other coins and pushing it into Avalanche during this dip. Other coin metrics, such as Avalanche and Dogecoin, they're seeing the market cap go down with their price. This, obviously, we can see this, the price is going down here, but we're seeing the bottoms here actually hold and actually move up here a little bit in a declining market. This shows very strong evidence that people like Avalanche and they're buying it up. So it might be one of the coins that turn around the fastest. And it's not a coincidence, in my opinion. This is another win, and it's going to be our next win. Not only do we have very good dollar cost average entries in here that we hit, but we're probably going to see this move up a little bit faster than other coins because there's more money in it now because the market cap's going up. Okay. Now, trades in favor here. We're pushing down to a good long trade. This is where you guys were looking at this over here. For all of you guys who used our indicators, you got in down here. Like I said, for the scalping, trend exhaustion got to the bottom red section. The well money flow got low, guys. You're looking to get into this market and push it back up. Real quick, I want to do this because I don't do this enough. Let me show you guys how to set up alerts for the trend exhaustion so you guys can learn how to scalp this. Go to the alert section. It's very simple. Go to alerts, click the alert section, go to AVAX, click trend exhaustion, and then what you guys are going to do to scalp the market for long trades is you're going to click watch for pump. If you want to scalp for shorts, you're going to do watch for drop. Watch for pump once per bar, and then what I typed on here is I type in AVAX and I do watch for let me do it a little bit bigger. There we go. AVAX, watch for pump. Watch for pump. Cool. And now all you guys do is just create this. And now you're going to get an alert on TradingView. If you have it set up to your phone with a premium membership or pro, you guys can have that. That literally is as simple as this gets, guys. And when the trend exhaustion white line crosses below this red line here or crosses above this red line, you're going to get an alert to say, heads up, look for the chart. If you guys want a little extra confirmation, wait for that 4-hour candle to close below the red line. It gives you an alert when the white line goes down there because I want you guys to have enough time to watch that. But once that happens, guys, you're scalping for 3 to 4% if you watch the masterclass. And people are doing that over and over and over again now. And they're doing very well. Honestly, guys, like very well. Look at the testimonials coming in. All right. Well, in institutional smart money for Avalanche, we are seeing that long trades are increasing over here and short trades are moving out for smart money. Guys, short trades moved up in the market as price moved up. Short trades are moving out right now because it's pushing back over to long trades. When the market is getting greedy and excited, short trades are coming out, dropping the price back down. So what are you guys doing this morning? A lot of people, clearly, they are selling into the market because they're dropping the price. No, guys. Look at what Wells and institutions and smart money are doing. They are buying up the dip, okay? And this is where it moves back up. It's so funny, guys. You want to immediately become a better trader and accelerate your trading like knowledge as well as your accuracy. Follow this metric, the Well and Institutional Smart Money. I have it for every single coin that we have here. So follow it, guys. It really will help you trade better. All right. Resistances. Obviously, we got one up here at 90.88. That's pretty aggressive up here. Looking at this area around here, and then we've got the supports here. So, which one are we going to head first? Let's just watch it this week. Honestly, I really want to see if we push back up into the top red section. I think we can actually get this back up here this week. I would say probably by Tuesday or Wednesday, we're going to push to the top red section, and we're probably going to push up into this area right around here, and we're going to take another win. So watch that, guys. Overall, seeing this in the market over here actually gives me a sentiment that we're probably going to see this try to increase this week for a move up. Okay, so let's just watch that. I wouldn't doubt if in the meantime, I'm sorry, let me just give you guys a little bit more data because I see this on the chart and I want you guys to have this. Look at this. The trend line a lot of people are looking at on lower time frames is this one right here. It's officially already broken to the upside. So this is another bullish pattern. What a lot of times happen is a break, a retest, and a move back up. So honestly, that is another bullish sign. It's a break of a descending resistance. Very bullish pattern. Like that's undisputed in technical analysis. A break of a descending resistance is very bullish. Okay. Dollar cost average entries for my hodlers out there. You guys looking at these entries here, great job. For those of you guys who were able to get in here and snag these, once the market goes back up, you're just dollar cost averaging in and holding for 5, 10, 20 years for those of you guys who want to hold for the long term. I personally suggest, guys, you actually trade with us and do more of swing trading because we can technically make more money getting in and out of the market than holding. Mathematically, I've proven it to you guys so many times on this video. I'm not even going to do it. I'm not going to do it for a little while, but literally, if you, I just said that, now I'm going to do it. Okay, if everybody enters in down here, let's say you have diamond hand holders enter here and you have scalpers enter in here and they exit here. Okay, great. Do you understand that you guys are only going to make one move if you diamond hand hold this and if you get to the top? This is like a very good case scenario, okay? Scalpers will get in here and trade the highs and the higher lows. So they'll make this percentage, they'll make that percentage. Okay, let's skip this one. Let's say they didn't get into that one. That's fine. Let's say they made this percentage right here. They made another move up here and they made another move here. The compound interest you make simply off of scalping the markets with the higher low and higher high patterns in an uptrend is purely mathematically more money for you than holding. Okay? The theory of holding, most people do it for capital gains purposes. If you hold over a year, you get long-term capital gains. Because I'm telling you, we've got traders who are like, I don't care about long-term capital gains because they're still making more money scalping than holding. Okay, and if you're holding for a year, there's nothing to tell you that after that year you're actually going to make money. A lot of people now are switching out of long-term holding that I'm seeing on YouTube here. Even YouTube creators are switching over now, and they're saying long-term holding is ruining people's accounts. I know there's an argument for it. I understand that, guys. But everybody who's holding up here and holding over here, everybody is in ridiculous drawdowns because they're trying to hold for a year to get back into long-term capital gains, where we've won from here to here about 100 trades in a row. That means two things. Your account's going to be extremely healthy in a bear market. You'll be the first one into profit, actually third, and you will actually start making money instead of just waiting to get back into the profit if you're a diamond hand holder. I understand the perks of both, but really, guys, I think there's a stronger argument for money to be made if scalping and swing trading the market than there is for holding. And that's why we trade this, and it's been working really well. You guys look at the testimonials, too, of people trading for a living. None of them are holders. None of them are holders. Just got to put that out there, okay? All right. Dollar cost average entries, that's great. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup here for Avalanche, because actually this new trade setup is what you guys can be taking right now. I want to show you guys on the Bitcoin charts, and you guys can look at customer testimonials from the last 2 weeks. That's just kind of fun. We want to put that up there because it's fun for you guys to look at. All right, how are we winning all these 110 wins? And now our 111th win probably this week. Here's how you guys do this. You guys are going to see 4 yellow lines and 1 green line on Avalanche this morning on the chart. Here's what you guys do. Choose the amount that you want to enter in each of our trades with. We're going to say it's $1,000 just for you guys choose the amount. $1,000 split into 4 portions is $250. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. 250, 250, 250, 250, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for a 100% exit. All right? That's all you guys are doing. Now, Once you guys have that set up, follow me in Telegram, where I'm going to be calling all the exits for you guys with the indicators. Again, coming back to the indicators, this is how we call exits and how all of our trades have been exited and how we haven't lost a trade yet. Okay, it's with the indicators. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first. Click this link here, and then you guys will join us. If you guys click that link, that's fine, or just click the link in the menu bar. It says Telegram, and you guys will get in over there. Okay, the indicators, real quick, guys. These are 82% off today. Snag these in the description, guys. This is a very good deal for you guys to be getting, and just make sure you guys snag them. A great deal we've got. We are going to be looking to up the price of this in the coming months because we know it's honestly, guys, it's far undervalued of what we're charging you guys, and that's just me being honest from a business perspective, letting you guys know into the future what we're going to be doing. Okay. Price just well, money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. These are the three that we use every day on the charts. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY. You'll get 40% off. The bundle pack will give you 82% off. You're actually going to get 9 indicators with the bundle pack instead of just 3, and you're basically paying the exact same price. So you're going to actually get all of these tutorial videos for all of this, as well as you guys will get a video of how to set them up on your TradingView account. And you guys actually get these indicators for life. It's not a monthly purchase. You get the source code, so nobody can take this away from you. If Jesus takes me home someday and we have to shut the business down, you guys literally will keep the indicators for life because I'm giving you the source code. So it's a really good deal for you guys. So no one can take them away from you, and you can keep trading with them for as long as you want. And that's for all of our indicators. I wanted to make sure I did that for you guys. Just because I can. I know a lot of people don't give away source codes to their indicators because they're like, we have to protect it. We have to protect it. You know what, guys? I'm just going to give it away to you guys because I don't want anything to happen to me someday and you guys not have access to them. So honestly, it's the way I wanted to honor you guys and gain your trust. Really, it was about gaining your trust to say, I'm going to literally give you how I code our indicators away to you guys so you can have them, so you can have something to with you that you can remember, trade confident for if for some reason something ever happens to me. I don't think it ever will, but anyways, you guys understand what I'm saying, right? All right. Okay. Ending this video, guys, get in the Telegram channel. Watch for AVX to be our next win here. Pretty sure this week we will take it as our 111th win, and then I'll let you guys know exactly when I'm getting back into the trades. But just make sure you guys have a membership. You guys will be able to access everything. That's it, guys. Membership, indicators, they're in the description. I've got the links down there. Click those links. Get set up. Have an amazing day, guys. And let's make some more money, and I'll keep coming out with videos this week, and I'll probably do one more video today, and we'll dive into probably Bitcoin. I think we're going to dive into Bitcoin today on one more video, so we'll talk about that today. All right, guys, God bless you. Have a good one. Everything you need is in the description. Join us because we're going to try to go for 120 wins in the month of March. All right, we'll see you guys. God bless you. Everything you need is below. Bye, guys.